15 pieces of $10 and $2 notes in his wallet. It should be in her wallet, in her wallet. Okay. Yeah, so Mary's a girl. Okay. So if the total value of all the notes is less than $97, what is the maximum number of $10 notes that she has? So in order to solve this question, using algebra, what we have to do is usually we will let the marks or the question itself, we are asked to find the number of $10 notes, so we'll let the number of $10 notes be x. Okay, so this is typically what I'll do. I'll let this be x. Okay, so let the number of $10 notes be represented by x. Okay, so once you have this number or this variable, easily everybody else can be expressed in terms of x. So then $10, okay, I have 15 pieces of $10 and $2 notes. Now if x represents the number of $10 notes and I have 15 pieces in total, alright, and x pieces represent $10, you can see that basically the number of pieces of $2 notes will be represented by 15 minus x, right? Because x plus x, 15 minus x will add up to 15. Okay, so if the total value of all the notes is less than $97, what's the maximum number of $10 notes she has? So now we are talking about value. So likely we are trying to form an inequality about value. So how do we relate the value in this case? How do we express the value in this case? Okay, so of course you see if I have x $10 notes, so if I want $10 notes, the value is 1. If I have two $10 notes, is 2 times the value is 2 times 10, that's 20, right? So x number of $10 notes, right? The number of $10 notes, the total value, it will be 10x. Make sense? Right? So what about the value of the $2 notes? So if I have 15 minus x number of $2 notes, and each $2 notes has a value of $2, each $2 has a value 2 lah, okay. So this is basically the value, total value of all the $2 notes. Okay, the number of pieces multiplied by the value of each note. Okay, and this total value, the total value here, so you can see that I've expressed the total value in terms of an algebraic expression is less than 97. Okay, so this is how we can go about to solve for x. And once we solve for x, supposedly if we solve for x less than a certain constant, this number here will basically be, because x represents the $10 notes, right? This is basically the maximum number of, okay, NO stands for number of $10 notes. Okay, so that's what we'll do. We take 10x, 15 times 2, that is 30, x times 2 minus 2x less than 97. Okay, packing my like terms together, 10x and 2x gives me an 8x plus 30 less than 97. Subtract 30 on both sides, I have 8x less than 67, and x is less than 67 divided by 8. Okay, so basically, okay, so you can see that 67.8 basically is roughly, okay, you can see that it's slightly above 8 so the maximum number is